Hey guys, you're all welcome. Let's make this delicious riro, also known as vegetable soup, together. Guys, this soup is everything. It is healthy and delicious. Make sure you watch from the start to the end because you will love it. I'll be using 3 spinach for the soup. So after removing all the stuff, I put it in the bowl with hot water. It is very important to do it like this so that it will absorb the water. Like when you put it without doing it like this, it's going to be too watery, like too light. So it's better you do it like this, and then later you use the cold water to rinse it so that it will not be too cooked. It will be a bit hard. So after doing that, I'm going to start the frying. I added my palm oil in my pot. I'm going to let it heat a little and then add my onions. It is very important to add your onions and also some crayfish. I'm going to add also dried crayfish. It is very important you do it like this. Like that's how I love to do mine, because the crayfish is in the soup more, like it gives it that extra aroma and taste. So after letting it stir for some seconds, I added my mixed pepper. That's my red bell pepper, scotch bonnet pepper. I'm going to, of course, add my seasoning. That's my bouillon powder, salt, and seasoning. So after letting it fry for some minutes, I'm going to do that now. I'm also going to taste later for salt if the salt is okay, and if it's not, I'm going to add more to it. So you have to stir again, and thereafter add my fish. This is my fresh mackerel fish. I'm going to put it first like this. Later on, I'm going to remove it. I just want the fish to cook in the sauce, okay, so that the fish will have that taste. After letting it cook for some minutes, I opened it and then I added my dried fish. I added this later because it is very soft, so I'm going to remove the fish later on. So after letting it cook for some minutes, I'm going to remove all the fish and then add my meat. That's my turkey meat and my beef. So I'm going to stir carefully and then add the meat stock. That's the water I use in cooking the meat. It is also very important. I filter it because I don't want the onions and all other stuff to go in. You can also add the water like that. Is also very okay. So now I'm going to cover to let it cook for like 3 to 5 minutes, and thereafter I'm going to add my spinach. Guys, look at this. It looks so beautiful. So this is the 3 spinach that I used. My pot is a bit too small for the soup, but I'm still going to use it. Like I'm going to cover it and later it will go down. So this is me after adding the spinach. I'm going to make sure that I stir carefully that everything is well mixed, and I'm going to lower my heat and cover the pot to let cook for a little while, and thereafter you see it has gone down a little. Like I said, of course I'm still going to add the fish later on, so I added some seasoning and also some salt because the salt and seasoning was not enough. So I'm going to stir again carefully. You see the reason why I have not added my fish, because when I do it like this, the fish can just scatter in it. So now I'm adding the fish and I'm going to stir carefully so that it will not scatter in the pot. And thereafter I'm going to cover to let cook for another 3 to 4 minutes on a low heat. And guys, as you can see, that's it. My riro vegetable soup is ready. That's how I prepare this. It is so delicious, healthy, and we really enjoyed it. Thank you guys so much for watching from the start till the end. Please don't keep this video to yourself. Help me to share, comment, and also subscribe on my YouTube channel if you have not done so. You can also follow me on all my social media platform with the name Mama Triple N. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video. We enjoy the soup with plantain fufu. Bye.